Hey guys, it's Joel. It's after the 5. This is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to handhold the camera. We're on onboard microphones, and you get to see these guys. Introduce yourselves. Who are you?
I'm Austin. I'm Steve.
And why would they care to know who you are?
We are with Diabase Engineering. We are Diabase Engineering.
I was just going to say, are you Diabase Engineering?
Yep. So we designed this machine, and yeah, we can tell you about it. What do you want to know?
I don't know. Well, let's see. What didn't we cover in the video? Because we got the machine behind me. That was pretty cool. And then we had this machine here. And then here, I'm going to go into the office. We're going to see the office here. Come on, follow me. Come on, come on. Okay, here we go. So here's the H1. That was their original, their prototype, right?
Yeah. So we learned a lot from this machine. One of the things was just how sensitive the bed is to the stiffness of the Z-rod. So you can see in this first design it was 10 millimeter rods, and that was not nearly stiff enough to maintain the accuracy that we wanted over the travel of the bed.
How big are the rods on the other machines, the H3?
16 millimeter, yeah. On both, let's see, 16 millimeter on X and Z on both machines, and then 8 millimeter on the additive only version, and then 10 millimeter on 16 millimeter in Y on the ball screw version. And there will be a stiffer version even yet, but that's still in the works. That one will have linear rails.
Every custom part on this was machined right here in our building.
Well, let's talk about this, because you're in a little makerspace, right?
Big makerspace.
Yeah. How many people are members here?
We have something like 750 members.
Is that the biggest one in the U.S.?
Not in the U.S.,
Definitely
but
in Colorado and most of the West.
in quite a few states. Yeah, it's called the Tinkermill here in Longmont, Colorado.
Tinkermill. If they look up Tinkermill, well, it's just tinkermill.com.
Yeah, there's tons of stuff online.
Can we go see it?
Yeah,
Check it out.
definitely. Yeah.
I'll follow you.
So we rent these two office spaces. This is where we do production of flexion units.
That's right. Flexi and extruders made right here.
That's right. We got a classroom and general meeting space over on that side.
Oh, you guys meet with couches. Oh, look at that cube.
Those are the comfort chairs. So if you do something useful during the week, during the meeting, you get to sit on those comfortable chairs.
It's not a makerspace without some sort of LEDs or lights that are dancing.
Yeah. There's all kinds of cool stuff going on here.
It's a pipe organ.
Yeah.
Look at that. That looks cool. Oh, is that a... Hello.
Hello.
Is that a pipe organ? That's huge.
It's MIDI too.
It's a player.
Is it MIDI? And what's this machine right here?
Vending machine for cool stuff. We sell lithium-ion batteries in here somewhere.
I think
Wow.
silver and other
Consumables.
consumables.
Oh, it looks like... Oh, it's a bunch of Spark Fun stuff, it says. Or is that just what was there before?
It's what was there before. It's a SparkFun vending machine.
Okay.
Which we've sort of taken over.
You have taken it over. What's over here?
There's some boards in there. This is going to be the new machine shop. Right now it's just storage space. Any open space fills up very quickly with machines and supplies.
I know how that goes.
Yeah. This is the main space. So there are a lot of different little studios in this area.
This is huge.
Yeah.
I see a drone next to a beer and wine sign. That's pretty
It's the
fantastic.
delivery.
That's a little kitchenette over there.
The tap handles on the beer were all forged, and
In the back bay we have a hot working area.
So wait a minute. These right here, these tap handles were forged. These are forged tap handles.
At the space, forward seating. Yeah.
That's cool. I see a lot of cutout stuff. So that laser you have right over there is
That's-
probably busy all the time.
That's the busiest machine at the space. for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
Is it easy to use?
the laser's very easy to use. Yeah.
How about that rocket up there? Who uses that?
Question. We've got some rocket people here. I don't know
Yeah,
much about it.
from Ball Aerospace. Yeah.
I bet they could use your machine to machine parts for it.
Definitely. Yeah.
I'm just saying. This is cool. Hey, thanks for bringing me down. Let's see. Thanks for bringing me down. This was a lot of fun. I think your machine has a lot of cool possibilities. There they are. And I wish you nothing but success. And what's one cool fact that you can say about your machine and Diabase that we didn't cover in the video?
Oh man, putting us on the spot.
On the spot, one cool fact.
We started in children's toys.
Children's
Wooden
toys.
Catapults, that's right. A game called American Catapultism.
American
brutal.
Catapultism.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
It was a great game. It was a great game. It was a rough launch.
No pun intended.
All right. Thanks for joining us on this. I hope this After the 5 was cool. If you like the tour stuff, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, we are going to go catch some dinner.
Some beer.
Some beers. All right. High five, you guys. High five. I'll see you on the next one.